Not everyone has something going on Valentine's Day. That's fine. If you just want to wear makeup for fun, you can, because that's what I do. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess and nice to meet you if you're new. I just wanted to tell you before we go further with this, just in case no one else wishes you this week, it's Valentine's Day this weekend. Happy Valentine's Day to you. You're beautiful. God loves you. As I was saying, it's Valentine's Day this weekend, and I thought since I usually upload Friday mornings, I would upload this video a little earlier so you have some time to practice, you know, if you want to do this look for Valentine's Day. Whether you are going on a date or whether you're going for dinner with some friends or having Galentines, whatever it is, I thought this is a very nice matte pink makeup look with a pop of color compared to your regular glam. Now, if you're wondering if you heard me right and I said matte pink and you're looking at my face and you're like, that ain't no matte pink eye, you are right. I am saying matte pink makeup. This is not a matte pink eye. This is what happened. I got a new camera, but I am not good at using it yet. So I've had some issues with filming here and there, and in the process of filming the actual matte pink look, I lost some footage. So future me here is here to fill in the gaps for you so you know what is going on in the video. But if you want to know how to get this look, this is my full glam pink look. This will be on my Instagram in some way, shape, or form. So go ahead and check out my Instagram page if you want to see this look. But as for today, I'm going to show you what the actual matte pink look looks like. It's very beautiful, very pretty, perfect for any kind of date night or for any other Valentine's plans. Yeah, on to the tutorial. Okay guys, I am here with my bare face and ready to put on some makeup. So since we're doing Valentine's Day makeup, date night makeup, Galentine's Day, whatever you want to do, when I'm thinking Valentine's Day, I'm thinking some kind of healthy, glowy looking skin. So to do that today, we're going to go ahead and use the Becca Skin Love Primer. This is a hydrating primer, so it will give that effect of glowy skin. There is a faint scent to it, kind of fruity but not overwhelming. Also, please excuse this whole cheek, guys. Like, I had this crazy breakout at the beginning of 2020, and whew, we've been battling ever since that breakout. I'm gonna have a video on that coming out, but it is a lot better than how it started out. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Skin Love foundation in the shade Tan. This is a nice foundation. I think if you put on too much, it can look cakey, so go in with a little and then add more as needed. Now I'm dotting the Becca Skin Love foundation in the shade Tan all over my face and blending it out with a brush. Oh, that's some pretty good coverage actually. So this has a faint scent, similar to the scent of the primer. It's kind of fruity. It makes me think of fruits. Oh no, do you guys think that that's darker than my skin color? I feel like it's just the slightest bit tanner than me. So that's okay. I'm just gonna put some on my neck too. There is this really nice skin-like finish to this. It's not super cakey. I think it's sat well on the primer, but it looks like my skin but better. You know, there's this nice like glow to it. I'm actually gonna do my eyes before I do the rest of my face. So let's go ahead with the eyes. I got this palette from Ace Beauty in my BoxyCharm this month. When I saw this color scheme, I was like, Valentine's Day. This is like perfect for if you want to go for a colorful look, if you want to go for a not so colorful look, but just something that looks a little glam. I feel like it's good for those. When I look at this, I feel like I want to go for a matte kind of look. I feel like these three colors in particular are just drawing me in, and I could do a very soft, romantic, but colorful look. First, I'm priming my eyes with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Original. This is a great product to keep your eye makeup on for extended periods of time. Okay, I just came a little closer in case you wanted to see what I was doing a little better. Okay, we're gonna do colorful but still matte. Not too colorful. Well, okay, it's gonna be colorful because this is a very colorful palette. But first, I'm gonna go into the shade Bahamas here. This is like pinky purple. Now with the darker transition colors, you want to be careful with how much you're spreading it because things can get out of hand if you're not careful. I hope today is not that day. Carefully blend it out across your eye, and I didn't go in too heavy. The mattes in this palette are quite pigmented, so not too heavy with it. You You want to blend out the shadow till it's softly diffused. I think that looks pretty good. That looks well blended. I'm just gonna go in with the point brush and dab into the color Nocturnal here, and I'm just gonna put that all across both of the creases, and then I'm gonna blend it out with another brush. I'm gonna put on a decent amount because we're gonna blend it out, and having a brownish purple shade like this can help emphasize your eye really nicely. Okay, I like that amount. I just went over it literally like a line. So now I'm gonna blend it out. Take your time with the blending. You don't want the dark color to go out too far, so keep it concentrated around your crease. Okay, that's how it looks blended out. I'm actually gonna go in and just put on a little right here at the outer V. And you know, this darker color just in general is gonna give you a little depth to your look. And then yeah, I'm just gonna, again, blend it out, but very carefully. Don't want it to go too far. Okay, for now, I like that. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing with the other eye. Okay guys, I've been blending for like ever, and it's taken a while, but generally, this is how it's supposed to look on both your eyes. So once it's all blended out, you're gonna go in and put on a matte shade. I wanna go in with Lotus here. This is a matte pink. It looks like just a dusty little petal pink. It looks so pretty. Ooh, it's actually not dusty, it's colorful, but let's see how it looks on the lid. Oh, this is perfect. Oh, that's so pretty. It's like just the right amount of color. It's like a subtle wash on your eye. Okay, in real life it's a subtle wash. On camera it's a lot more vibrant than that, but it's still really pretty. You're not gonna go all the way out towards that V. You're just gonna go kind of partially out, but mostly just cover your inner eye here. And once your inner eye is mostly covered, then you're gonna go back and like just blend out the edges. Make sure that crease color is still there and present. Before I do liner and lashes, I'm just gonna do the inner corner first because girl, sometimes it gets messy. I'm gonna go in with my Soft Glam palette. I'm going to use the shade Tempura. This is like a glistening white shade, but it's perfect. Also guys, low-key I wanted to use this palette for the date night look, but I don't know. I feel like everyone uses this palette, but we'll see. Let me know if you want to see looks done with this palette, because I know a lot of people bought it, especially like from Black Friday 2019, like crazy sales. Yeah, let me know if you want to see some tutorials using this palette. For now, just gonna use that white shade Tempura to highlight the inner corners, and Anastasia palettes are very pigmented, as you can see here. You don't need a lot. Okay, I think that just gave it the perfect amount of light there. Now I'm gonna go off camera, do liner and lashes, and I will be right back. Okay guys, I did my lashes, I did my eyeliner. I love these lashes. I recently started wearing them. They are the Kiss lashes in Pompadour. I think they're so pretty and they look like your lashes, but they have this nice romantic curl to them. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and I'll do my brows. If you were wondering, no, my brows are not done. These are my actual brows. They're kind of on the thick side. I actually usually just fill in a little bit, and that about does the trick. By the way, I'm using the Colourpop brow pencil and taken for Granite. Since my brows are on the thicker side, I'm just gonna fill them in a little bit. I remember when I first started doing makeup, I would put on way too much product and my brows would look so thick and bushy. Since we're going for a casual / not so casual Valentine's Day look, less is more. Satisfied with it, they look polished. And next I'm gonna go in with concealer. I'll be using the Too Faced Born This Way MultiSculpting Concealer in the shade Sand. Guys, I'm telling you, you don't need that much, especially if your under eyes kind of look like mine. There's not too much to conceal. This concealer, potent. Okay, also, I know I said I'm not a fan of beauty blenders for the face because they promote acne, but actually I bought one I was like, why don't I give it a shot? But I haven't been using it on my face. I've actually been using it for just concealer under eyes because I feel like it reaches so much better than my brush does. So we're gonna use the Beauty Blender for today. Just make sure if you're using them, you wash them, okay? Wow, that is very different than how I was before. Like, I just feel like I look like, you know, like awake. There we have it, under eye concealer. Does that look too different than the foundation shade? I don't know, I tried blending it out a little more, but I still feel like the under eyes look so different than the face, and that's probably a shade matching issue because this foundation shade looks like it's a little darker than my skin color. So anyways, we're gonna roll with it, but make sure you're wearing the right shade, foundation and concealer on your date. Generally, people set their under eyes with powder, but I don't usually because I feel like I don't want to suffocate my skin too much. I have dry under eyes, and this is like a decently hydrating concealer. I don't want to take away the moisture, you know? So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna set with powder for today. But if you get really oily, go ahead and set your under eyes. I'm gonna leave it as is. I think it looks nice. Now I'm going to finish off the eye look by taking the Scarlet Dusk palette. I'm digging into the shade Bahamas and putting it under my eye. Now that the look is coming together, you can see that it's colorful, but it's not overwhelmingly colorful. It still looks nice enough to wear out. A lot of people are scared of color, but if you play with it, it brings a different kind of look versus your everyday makeup. Now that I've got the Bahamas shade all over my under eye, I'm going to put Lotus here. No, that's Lotus, and wow, Lotus is very pink. I take it back. I'm gonna go over Lotus with a little tempura to relate it back to the upper eye. I think that ties the look in really well. Now, if you want, you can do liner under the eye or in the waterline. I think for me, I always love a good purple liner. It makes the eyes pop. Okay. If you want a little less color, don't put purple in your waterline. Put in black or maybe white if you want to make your eyes look a little bigger. Okay, I'm going to finish off the face here. I'm going to take the Tarte Clay Play palette and I'm going to use the shade Timber. It is the darkest shade in the palette. And I'm just going to put a little on my slanted brush here to contour with. I feel like you can see it on camera really well. In real life, it is not that crazy pigmented, so don't worry. I'm just going to like contour / bronze the skin, bring some depth and dimension back. Ooh, you see that? That looks good. Guys, unfortunately, my camera decided to go on time-lapse mode, so I'm gonna talk over myself. I used the NARS Creamy Concealer to conceal some acne here, just because I noticed it was popping out a little more than I wanted. And I'm gonna go back over just my bronzer one more time to make sure that the concealer is not interfering with the bronzer color. I'm going to use the NARS Orgasm blush as my blush for today. This is a little bit sparkly, has a little shimmer to it, and sparkles do emphasize texture. However, this is a beautiful color and it's going to match the look so well that I can't resist. I'm going to use my Colourpop Crush on You palette. I'm going to use the color Poker Face as my highlight. I'm just going to put it on the highest points of my cheeks. It's going to add a little bit to the bridge of my nose and the Cupid's bow as well. Okay guys, I know I said I wasn't going to set anything, but I changed my mind because I'm starting to already look a little on the dewy side. So I'm just setting my face all over with the Flour Baking Powder in yellow. So mainly around my mouth, my nose, my jawline, and my forehead. Because I could use a little help, I'm just going to be taking that same bronzer color that I used and putting it under my chin to hide that double chin action. Taking the Ilari Lip Pencil by Colourpop, and I'm going to line my lips because I'm planning on a darker color lipstick. So this is a wine-colored lippy pencil. And afterwards, I'm going to take the Colourpop liquid lipstick in the color Soufflé. And I'm going to put this all over my lips. This is a berry color. It's very pretty and very fitting for a date look or Galentine's Day or any kind of Valentine's Day in general. It's a little dark for my taste, so I'm going to add a lip gloss to it. I'm using the iconic London Plumping Lip Gloss in the shade Nearly Nude. Of course, setting with the all-nighter setting spray to lock everything down for the rest of the night. Okay guys, this is the final look with my hair up and makeup set. It's beautiful, got that pop of color that you need, and it's perfect for any kind of Valentine's Day event. Here's how it looks when I'm not moving. Just in case you are wondering what this looks like with a nude lip, I got you. Hey guys, I just wanted to show you a clip of how it looked with a nude lip on. I'm wearing Nude Mood from Dose of Colors. I like it. I think I just like the dark lip better. It's more of like an event kind of look with the dark lip. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, just wanted to show you this. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Sorry again for the lost footage, but I think it turned out okay in the end. And the look was gorgeous. I got so many compliments that day. And just a quick review on the Ace Beauty palette, since people are kind of not sure about the brand because it's not a big brand. It is a very nice palette. I really like the color scheme of it. It's perfect for Valentine's Day, or if you like pinks and reds, perfect for you. I think the mattes blend out pretty nicely. The darker colors, some of the colors can be a little patchy, but they take some blending and they go in pretty well. I would say I had some trouble with the metallic shades, particularly Hibiscus. Gave me a rough time when I used it on a previous Instagram look, but some of these metallic shades are a little harder to use. They get a little gritty and they're kind of, I don't know, it looks great on camera, but in real life it looks kind of almost like streaky, but since it sparkles, more chunky. I don't know, it's hard to describe, but I'm kind of 50-50 on the metallic shades. But overall, it's a nice palette. I do think their mattes are really nice. The shimmer shades are just a little harder to work with, but you can get the job done. But yeah guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. I hope I made it clear. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I'd love to fill in any gaps for you. If you like that video, please leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. I would love to see you back. And let me know what else you want to see on my page. I would love to know what you guys are interested in, if you want to see more tutorials or reviews. And I hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Regardless of whether you're going to be with someone or whether you're going to be alone, I hope you have fun. And I hope you know that you are beautiful and loved. Whether or not you have someone this weekend and whether or not you're doing anything this weekend, you're beautiful. All right. See you guys. Bye.